Hey everyone, welcome back to Create with Nil. Today, I'll be sharing 9 simple and very proven ways to earn money using Canva. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or just starting a side hustle, Canva has multiple opportunities for you. Let's dive right in. 1. Design and sell Canva templates. First up, selling Canva templates is a great way to make money. Templates for social media, resumes, or presentations are in high demand. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad are perfect for selling these. How? Create templates that are easy to customize and visually appealing. You can charge $10 to $50 for a set. Once you upload them, they can generate passive income over time. 2. Create stock photos and graphics. Use Canva to create stock photos or graphics and sell them on sites like Shutterstock or Canva's marketplace. Tip: focus on in-demand graphics like icons or illustrations. You'll earn commissions each time your stock images are downloaded. 3. Create and sell print-on-demand designs. With Canva, you can create designs for print-on-demand products like t-shirts or mugs. Upload these to platforms like Redbubble or Printful, and earn a profit every time someone buys. Tip: focus on trendy designs or niche markets. Each product sale can earn you $5 to $20. 4. Social media management. If social media is your thing, consider offering social media management services. Canva makes it easy to create consistent, branded content for platforms like Instagram or Facebook. How to get clients. Design and schedule posts that match your client's brand. You can charge anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per month depending on the service. 5. Offer Canva training or tutorials. You can also teach others how to use Canva by offering courses or tutorials. Platforms like Udemy, Gumroad, or even YouTube are perfect for sharing your knowledge. What to do? Create step-by-step tutorials or online courses and charge between $20 to $200. It's a great way to turn your skills into a revenue stream. 6. Affiliate marketing with Canva. Another simple way to earn is through affiliate marketing. Canva offers a 15% recurring commission for every Pro subscription sign-up. How? Promote Canva Pro through your blog, YouTube, or social media and include your affiliate link. You'll earn every time someone signs up through your link. 7. Create and sell ebooks or digital products. With Canva, you can design ebooks, planners, or checklists and sell them online. Digital products like these are in high demand, especially on platforms like Etsy. What to do? Design your products and sell them for $5 to $50, depending on the value. This can be a great source of passive income once you have your products uploaded. 8. Freelance graphic design. Another option is to offer freelance graphic design services using Canva. Businesses and individuals are always looking for designs like social media posts or logos. How to start? Showcase your work on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Depending on the project, freelancers can earn anywhere from $15 to $100 per design. 9. Lastly, create product animation videos. Another great way to make money with Canva is by creating product animation videos. Canva allows you to add motion effects and animations to product images, which are highly popular for online stores and social media ads. How? You can offer this as a service to businesses looking to showcase their products in a dynamic way. Use Canva's animation tools to bring static images to life, then export the video to platforms like Instagram or Facebook. You can charge $50 to $200 per video, depending on complexity and length. There you have it, 9 easy ways to earn money using Canva. Whether you're selling templates, managing social media, or offering training, Canva has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below on which method you'll try. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Create with Nil.